Welcome! Are you trying to get coins on Webtoon? Well, check this out. I've got Webtoon Plus right here. So let's open this application. And it's a pretty cool app because you can pretty much get like free coins. So let's see. xtapps.com. Enjoy your free store mod. Thanks for supporting us. So let's press OK. And now let's go to the more section here. And let's tap on buy coins. And you can see everything is completely free, but not only that, but you can just tap on it. And it says right there, confirm your in-app purchase. Do you want to get 1,000 plus 150 free coins? Let's press OK. And this is literally crazy. This is like $100 value already. And there it is, 1,150 coins have been added to my Webtoon account, so I can watch comics and all that. So let's do it again, because let's be honest, we're all going to go for the top amount. And right there, confirm your in-app purchase. Do you want to buy 1,000 plus 150 free coins again? Let's press OK. 2,300. This is pretty insane. Let's see how many. Let's see if I can get to 5k. So let's press OK. 3,450. 4,600. Wow! I just got 5,750 coins on Webtoon, and this is literally like, I don't know, a $500 value, which is just insane. But you can see right there, like, I mean, 108 coins is already like $10 because it was discounted to something like, it says 40% off. But yeah, this is insane. So I'm going to show you how you can get this awesome application for yourself on your own iOS or Android devices. It is Webtoon and it is by this website xtapps.com, which I'm going to showcase in this video tutorial. Right, so on iOS you want to go to settings, general, background refresh, but it is working for Android as well. So tap on Wi-Fi mobile data or cellular data if you're in the United States. Now go back 3 times, go to battery, and if you can't access background refresh, then check that low power mode is turned off, like so. So once that's done, we can go to Safari and go to source and website xtapps.com. So there it is, xtapps.com. And once you're on here, you can just tap on the search bar and search for Webtoon. There it is, Webtoon by IAPEZ. Okay, download. There we go. And you can see it's going to start downloading for us. There is a progress bar, but green on green, it's a bit difficult to tell. But yeah, so let's just wait till it downloads. And you need background refresh on just so that it basically allows you to download the IPA on iOS in the background. And it's also working for Android, so Android users do not have to do the background refresh step. It's you just basically go to the site and it's really simple. So now let's press on install. And now we'll be taken to this page. Once you're here, you must support developers. So tap this red button to check the full guide. I don't want to make the video too long, but it's really easy and takes like 5 minutes extra. So tap this red button first when you're done watching this video. I'll just show you again working one last time, Webtoon So let's refresh the app. There we go, Webtoon Loading free store mode. xtapps.com. Right there you can see this is the site where I got it from. So yeah, it's pretty awesome, and you can get all those comics that you've always desired. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Peace.